Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your McGill Minerva account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser, then on the search bar type in McGill Minerva Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link and it will take you to this page. On this page, you can either enter your McGill ID number and your PIN, or you can enter your McGill username and your password. If you want to go with the ID and PIN number, you can enter on the left side. Enter your 9-digit number on this box. After that, enter your 6 to 18 character PIN on this box. And in case if you don't remember your ID, you can click on this link to recover your ID. And if you don't remember your PIN, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you have entered your ID and your PIN, you can click on login and you'll be logged into your account. As for username and password, you can click on this box and type in your username. After that, enter your password on the second one. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on login and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.